Ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning, friends. I checked to see what time it was. Well, we got up here to Nashville. We had a better chance of getting load out of here, so that's why we came up here. Uh, but we were trying to stay below all this snow also, but it didn't work out that way, unfortunately. But sometimes you just got to go where the money takes you. And as a good old friend Country says, sometimes you got to do what you don't want to do so you can do what you want to do. But we got a load going to Nebraska, unfortunately. Uh, the other unfortunate part of it, with what we do, it's going to be a light load, 408 pounds. So we're not going to be in a hurry. We're not going to rush. If the roads get too bad where we can't travel, or they shut them down, we're going to shut down. We're not going to risk our lives or the lives of anybody else. But we're going to keep our heads on a swivel and be calm, cool, and professional. So we got to pick this up. They said it's going to be ready by noon, which is about 45 minutes away, or 45 minutes from now. The place is about 20 miles from where we're sitting. Uh, so let's go over there and see if we can't pick up even earlier than that. Most likely not, but at least we'll be there. So stick around, stay tuned, and enjoying the mayhem, the chaos of driving right into a winter storm. Sometimes that's what the money pays you to do. So let's go. All right, we're loaded up. This is all that's going to Nebraska. Sorry we didn't get much footage. But it's raining and crappy out, and we're just trying to concentrate on the road. So stick around, stay tuned, see where we go from here. All right, well, we just got fuel. The boss lady's driving. I tell you what, we're headed up 24 in Kentucky. I didn't realize we were riding horses these days. I mean, shoot, every little crack in the bump feels like I'm riding in a damn carriage. Good Lord. Anyways, we're on our way to Nebraska. Trying to dodge these winter storms. We should be alright. We should get up there before the storms start, get this load kicked off, and hopefully we can find a truck stop. There ain't much freight coming out of there. We might have to sit a day before we empty move. But I would rather hold out for a day, even though it's going to be cold as shit, instead of having to drive through a snowstorm. But if they can get us something out of there the same day, I may just take and you know, because all we got to do is get down below Nebraska and St. Louis, and we'd be out of the snow again. So I don't know what they're gonna have for us. I don't know what we're gonna do yet, but that's tomorrow's problem. Look at the boats. The boats. Man, I love boats. I always thought it'd be kind of cool to haul one. I want a big boat though, like a big boat, multiple rooms, whatever, what have you. But, yeah. Anyways, we just got fuel. We're still on the road. We ain't filmed much. This is probably going to be I don't know. We might not get much road footage because the window's all covered in rain all the time. It's hard to see. There ain't much to see. But we're on 24 headed north. So, and then we'll jump on 70, it looks like. Head over towards Kansas City. And work our way up to Nebraska. But thanks for being here. Appreciate you guys. We'll get you on the next clip. Alright, y'all. So we just switched out. Wife went to bed and it's my turn to take over. We are about, I don't know, a few hours away, 4 or 5 hours away, I think. Come on, Papa. Just got out of the truck stop. I'm gonna sit here for about another 40 minutes or so, and I guess be attacked by a doggo. But and then we've got to. I can't see me, sir. I can't see me, sir. Then we got to head that way. I'm gonna wait for till about 11 o'clock before I head that way, because I can't get there till 5 a.m. That's when they open up for receiving. So we'll be there right at 5 a.m. or maybe a little bit after, but it'll be there at 5. Kick this off, and hopefully the storm that they're calling for ain't gonna be as bad as they say it's gonna be. But who knows? So there's not much freight coming out of this area, but I came up here on a good rate, and we started the week off with a really good rate, so it'll work out. Even if we got to sit here for a day and then empty move out of this area, I'll be okay. We sit here for a day, and hopefully the storm will pass, and they're usually pretty good at handling the ice and the snow and stuff like that up here. It's just sounds weird, but I've never driven in really bad winter style weather in a box truck, so I don't know how this truck would act. I'm assuming it won't be any different than any other truck, but I don't know, and I don't want to risk it, honestly. I'm sorry, this pup is being crazy. He's being crazy dog. So stick around, stay tuned. We'll see what happens. Being attacked, and oh, you poor thing. So, thanks, guys. We'll catch you in the next clip.
Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen.
Alright, y'all, well, we're done for the day. Well, I don't know, day, whatever, but we're done for right now. We've delivered that load, as you can see. We're going to sit here for a little while, see if they find something out of here. If not, I'm not going to sit here a long time. I just ain't going to do it. It's cold. The truck says it's 4 degrees right now, and I don't like it, and the truck don't like it, so push come to shove, we may just empty move out of here down to Texas or something, down to Dallas or something, just to get out of this weather. So we'll see what happens. Maybe they'll find us a load out of here. I know I'm not going back east, because by the time we get out of here, unless it's today, there's nothing but snow and ice and everything going east. So my goal is to go south towards Texas. If they don't have nothing for us going that way, I'm probably just going to say, screw it, I got a full tank of diesel and we're heading south. Because I ain't about this cold weather. I came up here because the rate was good and it paid decent. But this ain't a very good board, so most likely going to empty move south, honestly. So stick around, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Technically it's today's video. And see what we end up doing. Thanks for being here. Be good to one another and live to expedite another day. I'm going to go take a nap.
Ladies and gentlemen.